In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom gems in Gemini, helping you supercharge your AI workflow. Whether you're new to Gemini or an experienced user, customizing your gems can enhance your productivity and allow your AI to work more efficiently for your specific needs. So, let's dive right in and explore each step in detail to get you up and running with your personalized gems. First, let's open up a browser and head over to Google. This step is straightforward, yet essential, so launch your preferred browser and type in the usual URL, www.google.com. The goal here is to prepare the ground so you can easily access Gemini's custom gem feature. Now that Google is open, we're going to search for Google Gemini in the search bar. Simply type it in and quickly hit enter. This search will bring up the main page you need to reach in order to begin the process. Once the search results have loaded, the next step is to click on the official Google Gemini website. This is typically the first link that appears in the search results, clearly marked as the Google Gemini homepage. Clicking on this link takes you directly to Gemini's platform, where you have the tools you need to create and customize your gem. Now, you'll see a menu on the left side of the web page. Navigate over to this menu area, where you will find several options related to the functionalities of Gemini. It's here that your journey truly begins. Among these options, look for Explore Gems and give it a click. This is where you can see existing gems, and more importantly, it's the entry point to creating new gems on the platform. With the Explore Gems window now open, the next step is to select New Gem. Clicking this option brings up a new interface that prompts you to start setting up your custom gem. At this stage, you'll want to think of a name for your gem. Entering a meaningful name helps in organizing and identifying the gem, especially if you end up creating multiple ones for varied purposes. The name you choose should reflect its function or purpose, making it intuitive and easy to remember. Once you've named your gem, the next field requires you to give it specific instructions. These instructions will dictate how the AI behaves when you use this gem. Be concise but clear with your instructions to ensure that the AI's outputs align with your expectations. Writing effective instructions can significantly influence the performance of your gem, so take your time here. After entering both the name and the instructions, it's time to save all your hard work. Click on the Save button to finalize your settings. This action secures your custom configurations, making them ready for immediate use. And just like that, your gem is now ready to go. Congratulations! You've successfully created a custom gem in Gemini. With these personalized gems, you can streamline your workflow and have your AI assist you in ways that best fit your tasks. Test out your new gem, see how it integrates into your routine, and iterate over time to optimize its usefulness. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!